Today in this video I will show you the control panel of Xampp and tell you that how you can run the Xampp and configure it. So for this we can select this software. Actually this software is used to run the WordPress on your local PC. And to run WordPress you can activate Apaches and to activate MySQL. And first time you download it and install it, the Apache will not work. So I will tell you that how it works. For this you can select configure and first select Apache configure, and here you can use control F, and here first you can use this listen 80 and change it to listen 8080. I have already changed it, so here I can find listen. Here you have seen I have already changed it. First you will see there you can select listen 80 and change it to listen 8080, and after that you can search here, find the server name localhost. So here you can find same server name localhost. So here I can write server, and here I can select server name localhost. Same, I have already changed it to 8080. First you can see there will be written 80 and change it to 8080. Now you have to save this file and then exit, and then after that same for Apache, select configure and then select this one, and here you can search listen 443 and change it to 4433, and here I can search like here I have written over here 4433. So and after that after saving click exit, and now I can start this. Apache server started and SQL server started. These servers are used for using WordPress on your local PC. Thanks for watching. Next I will tell you in the next video.